Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you. How's it going, my friends? Welcome back to CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton, and today we'll be discussing Piston Token. You piston your what? Great Cars reference right there, my friends. But seriously though, Piston Token. And we will jump into the meat and potatoes of this, but first let me give my friendly disclaimer. Keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, purely the opinion of a crypto geek who talks about this kind of thing, studies it all day long. So just keep that in mind. Do not buy anything just because I talk about it. Please make sure to do a modicum of your own research before investing in anything. Now, jumping into this, getting started. It is a Binance Smart Chain token, BSC, built on best-in-class decentralized tech. Piston was designed to run an ecosystem. Earn rewards by depositing your tokens in the Piston Race dashboard app. We can see, by the way, how well the value of the token is doing right now. That is the contract address right now. And we'll get to the white paper here in a little bit also, but we're going to go through the page. Bogged Finance. You can buy and sell PSTN on Bogged Finance at buy exchange fee of 10%. You can always use our swap page to swap from BUSD to PSTN without the buy fee. Okay, let's see, and then yeah, we will check that out as well. We'll check out all sort of the different swap and everything like that in a moment, because there are different things at the top we'll go through. Token and race. Piston Token, the token to run the ecosystem, fully tradable and available to everyone, built on BSC, total supply of 1 million, 10% tax on buy, exchange only, 10% tax on sale. And then the Piston Race, the ROI dashboard app for depositing your Piston tokens. Earn 1% daily, max payout 365% of your deposited amount. Reinvest to maximize your APY. 5% direct referral reward system, withdraw initial investment. Deposit fees and claim fees right there. But to be fair, all the fees are really solid on this one, actually. I appreciate especially where the token fees are being sent to, because they're being sent to places to actually make the project a lot better. And then the reward referral system, Pit Crew Boost, locks tokens out of circulation as long-term inflationary measure, and the white paper has detail. And then projects require permanent forfeit any deposits for 7 days from the start of the race to fully exit the protocol if you wish. White paper detail. Say get in touch with us or say hello at the Telegram. I'll show you. And then this is all of their stuff, including their audit report, by the way, for both the token and the race, which we will. Let's see, that is the white. So we've got Solidity Finance having audit reported the actual Piston Token and the Piston Race as well. I appreciate that they went ahead and got everything out of the way, really got it all set. And then we will actually go through sort of the pages over here at the top. Now, if you click claim, you're actually able to claim your tokens. This is, of course, if you have invested and like have tokens to claim. At the moment, I don't have any to claim, so I can't show you. This is their Telegram, My DeFi Dash team with over 4,000 members. Now, the My DeFi team is the team behind this project, really. We see the My DeFi team as well, with just some different links over here on their Twitter. Check out YouTube and anything you'd like for the project. Now, their Discord, I'm really liking their Discord. It's really pulling together. So it doesn't exactly show the complete number of people, but I love they have Piston strategy as well. So like to teach you the strategy of the game and how to do it better. They've got calculators for certain things, the Piston discussing it, marketing discussing. So they want to discuss this project with the people in every specific aspect and be honest and open with their community and give them things such as, suggestions, such as strategies to make the gaming experience a lot more fun and a lot better. Now, the swap, so the BSC token built on best-in-class decentralized technology, Piston was designed to run an ecosystem. Earn rewards by depositing your tokens in the Piston Race dashboard app. You can, of course, claim your rewards up here. So that is their swap there. Piston Race. Earn 1% daily income until 365% of your income is reached. Your username, so this is what it'll look like by PSTN. Pit Crew Boost level 0, my Pit Crew 0 to 0. You can actually click start and actually, this is sort of how it'll look in general. And then I don't remember which takes you. Yes, it just takes you to the swap. That's what I was thinking. And then airdrop as well for different airdrop. Now here's the white paper and the Q&A, by the way. Now this just sort of is a nice condensed Q&A, and this can all be found, of course, at the very bottom of the page here if you'd like to find any of these links that I'm checking out, or some of the links are also exclusively on their Twitter page, which you'll just click through their Twitter to find that information out, no problem. And then we will check out their white paper here as we sort of wrap things up with this. So the Piston Token white paper. So transparency, deflationary tokenomics, whale resistance, and affordable network. That is, of course, some really great things to have. I like that picture for a very cool car to start. The basics. When a user deposits PSTN to add fuel to their gas tank, they will receive 1% daily returns, up to 365% of the amount in the tank. The amount of this calculation includes new tokens deposited as well as tokens compounding using the Nitro button. How is this a race? Where the goal of real-world race car drive is to be the fastest around the track, the goal of Piston users is to accelerate their earnings by the following: making deposits, adding fuel using the Nitro button, receiving boosts from their pit crew aka downline or network people they have referred, and people referred to by those people, etc., and boosts a portion of the transaction fees of people in one's pit crew. In the Piston tokens, all these activities increase the speed at which returns become exponential. Can I exit the race? Yes. While many projects require you to permanently forfeit any deposits, you have 7 days from the start of your race to fully exit the protocol, if you wish. However, this will require you to forfeit any pending/unclaimed rewards. Here's how exiting works. If the price of PSTN has gone down during the time you've been in Piston, then upon exiting, you will receive the same number of PSTN that you have deposited minus rewards and subject to tax, but the USD value of this base amount will have gone down along with the price of PSTN. If instead of the price of PSTN has gone up during this time, then upon exiting you will receive fewer PSTN, also minus rewards received and subject to tax, but the base amount will have the same USD value as the sum of any PSTN deposits you have made in the past in the point based on the price of PSTN at the time of deposit. Taxes. Taxes reduce volatility and are used to support the protocol as follows. So we can see buy tax 10%, which we did look where that goes. That goes to lots of good places. I like marketing, contract balance, stuff like that. Deposit 10% Piston site, so 5% upline, 5% contract balance. Claim is 10% to contract balance. Sell is 10%. Either way, and then it is 1 burn, 2 liquidity, 1 marketing development, 6 contract balance. So I like marketing developments in there for all of them. And then exit and compound Nitro, so you can see to contract balance to upline. Incentives. Let's see here. To incentivize a consistent inflow of value into the system, a distinction is made between new deposits and compounds. Indirect rewards from one's downline as follows. The total amount of the gas tank can never go higher than 5 times the amount of deposits in your gas tank. So if, for example, you deposit 100 PSTN, then you will compound daily using the Nitro function, using the total amount of your tank in 500 PSTN. Your tank's now full. Your max payout 1% per day at 1825 PSTN, 500 times 3.65. Further, compounding will be unavailable, and boosts will not receive from the transaction fees of your pit crew. To enable compounding and receiving rewards from your downline at this point, it'll be necessary to make a new deposit of PSTN. This can be done in one of 2 ways. First, claiming and redepositing PSTN into the protocol, which benefits the system through taxes, making an entirely new purchase of PSTN and depositing it. And the incentives, see here. So to incentivize using network referral, PSTN can use access rewards from down the line pit crew, maximum of 15 levels. There are 2 places where you can deposit PSTN in the Piston site. Your gas tank, which enables you to receive 1% ROI per day on the total amount. The pit crew boost system. What is the benefit of depositing PSTN into the pit crew boost system? Allows you to receive boosts of PSTN. That kind of is very self-explanatory as well, just so we don't take up too much time on that. Basically, the why based on the US dollar value, because we want everyone to be able to expand their network. Using the approach of $100 worth of PSTN will allow you to receive boosts And then how do these pit crew levels work? As it said, there's 15 levels down. And then this kind of shows it to you as well that, you get people and if they get people. And to be fair, this is a fully legitimate, use of their business in this regard. I know that, other businesses have that sort of a thing, and that's not good, but this is actually completely okay because it's a game. It's not a, they're serving you something for your value. Just to be clear, it's not like there's nothing pyramid about, is my point. Because you're getting what you're paying for out of it. You're just getting a little extra for incentivizing people to do it, which is every company ever. You get a kickback, which makes sense. Round robin, instead of being in line, imagine they're in circle, round robin, rewards go to different persons. Exactly, thank you. I was going to say, yeah, don't look at it like pyramid, look at it like that, because it really is. So many cool photos, by the way, and the incentives. If the user reaches maximum of 50,000, see whale resistance. Claims until they have received all the max payouts 365. So again, they keep whale resistance. Just discussing again more through the incentives of what's going on, their deflationary measures, which again to kind of keep a whale resistance. So they just make sure to just take measures to keep the value of the token well, as you see, whale resistance as well. So they make a different claim tax depending on how big it is, that kind of stuff. Different airdrops as well, so you can actually have things airdrop to you, which is awesome. And that is Piston Token, my friends. A really valuable token, in my opinion. I think this one is awesome. I think that this one, as I said, not financial advice, does hold a lot of value. It's going to be a very valuable game. So just wanted to discuss it today. But as always, thank you for coming by CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton. I will see you in the next episode.